This is how to get a cloudy headlight like that, looking shiny like that, without having to buff it all back and do all that with all your sandpapers and stuff. This is what both headlights look like. So you pop a bit of teacup on the end of a sponge pad on a drill, on there, dabby dab dab, and work it into all the corners. You might get a bit of overspray, but that just wipes off. It is teacup, it's only polish at the end of the day. So you just do that, work it round, keep going, and then you just give it a little wipe off. Wipe it off, polish it up. It isn't bang on perfect like if you used a proper buffing compound, but that looks in keeping with the age of the vehicle and makes it all nice. Straight through the MOT. Bosh. And there it is, buffed up, shiny. Nice.